In this video, you'll learn how to host your WordPress website's media files on Google Drive. This is a great way to offload images, videos, and other media from your web server, which can help with storage limits and sometimes even improve performance. I'll walk you through everything step by step in a way that you can easily follow along on your own site. First, we need to install a Google Drive integration plugin in WordPress. There are several options available in the WordPress plugin directory, so choose one that's well rated, actively maintained, and specifically mentions Google Drive support for the media library. To install it, go to your WordPress dashboard, then to the plugins section, and select the option to add a new plugin. In the search field, type in the name of the Google Drive integration plugin you've chosen. When you see it in the list, click to install it, and once the installation finishes, make sure to activate it. Without activation, it won't do anything on your site. After the plugin is active, the next step is to connect your Google Drive account in the plugin settings. Most plugins add a new menu item or appear under your existing settings or media menu. Open the plugin settings page and look for a section labeled something like Connect to Google Drive Authentication or Account. Here, the plugin will usually provide a button that opens a Google sign-in window. Click that, sign into the Google account you want to use for storing your media, and review the permissions the plugin is asking for. You'll typically need to allow access to view and manage files in your Google Drive. Confirm the connection and wait for the plugin to show that your account is successfully linked. Once your Google Drive account is connected, you'll choose the folder in Google Drive where your media files will be stored. Many plugins will either let you create a new folder directly from the settings page or let you browse your existing folders and pick one. It's a good idea to create a dedicated folder just for your website media so everything stays organized and separate from your personal files. Select or create the folder, save your settings, and double check that the plugin confirms it will use that folder for uploads. Now you can upload media from WordPress as usual. Go to your media library or use the upload option inside your posts and pages, just like you normally would. Drag and drop your images or select them from your computer. The process on the surface looks exactly the same, but behind the scenes, the plugin intercepts those uploads and sends them to the Google Drive folder you selected instead of, or in addition to, your web server's storage. From this point on, the plugin will store or serve those media files from Google Drive. That means when a visitor loads a page with an image, the file is being delivered through Google storage rather than directly from your hosting account, depending on the plugin's configuration. Some plugins also give you options for caching or changing the way links are generated, so it's worth exploring the settings to fine-tune performance and behavior. And that's all you need to start hosting your WordPress media files on Google Drive. By installing the plugin, connecting your Google account, choosing a folder, and uploading media as you always do, you've shifted your media storage to a more scalable solution without changing your everyday workflow.